Whether you're driving a motor fresh off the line or have a much older vehicle that could do with some sprucing up, there are huge ranges of gadgets out there that can help to make your car feel more modern or to add some amazing features you might need. Mojipic is the first unique gadget that offers drivers the opportunity to demonstrate their emotions, mood, status, national identity, exhibit sporting interests, cheer for their favorite teams, share a festive mood, and furthermore, be progressively sociable with the other drivers or the outside world. If you drive for Uber, Lyft, or any other taxi service, use Mojipic to make it easy for your passengers to find you. Just display their name on your window, the world's first integration into the LED display. You can generate any information like Instagram, Facebook, URL, PayPal, WhatsApp, etc. 8-bit games are built into the application, which are displayed on the LED display, and the phone becomes a gamepad. With the Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit, you'll be up and back on the road in just 10 minutes. Slime simplified the traditional tire repair kit into 4 simple steps. It's that easy. Just plug the power connector into your 12-volt car accessory outlet and screw on the air hose. Then push the button. Instantly, a mix of emergency repair tire sealant and air are fired right into your tires, sealing punctures and repairing the flat. Slime's emergency tire sealant is tire sensor safe and approved by leading automakers. The Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit's dial gauge 0 to 100 psi is integrated right into the inflator, so you can monitor tire pressure as you inflate. If you get excited and put in too much air, you can easily take it out with the deflate button. The Saucemoto frame is made from stainless steel and universally sized to attach to any car's air vents and fit all major chain restaurant sauce containers. The actual receptacle is plastic, so you can keep the sauce in its container or pour it directly into a reusable ramekin. You can even adjust it to hold the package in either landscape or portrait mode. Saucemoto won't break your bank either. A 2-pack costs just $10.95, which is more than worth never having to mop up barbecue sauce from your center console. The Saucemoto Dip Clip is also sold in 4, 6, and 10 packs, so you can even set up an array of buffalo, ranch, mustard, mayo, and more. The product comes with a display case and 2 numbers cards, which include 6 groups of numbers from 0 to 9. It has black and silver in color. It infuses a simple need of displaying numbers with a modern design look. Whether it's for temporary parking use, office use, or any other scenario, you can display important numbers in a cool way. You can use it to display phone numbers or any other numbers. You can use it for any scenario. For example, you can use it for temporary parking so others can call you when you need to move. You can also use it in the office in case an important person comes when you're away. CRP909E OBD2 scanner can do deep dive into auto diagnostics and also generate the live data stream. Live data stream graphing provides very detailed data stream data. It could include the change of accelerator pedal position sensor, actual output shaft speed, clutch, a actuator motor, vehicle battery, and so on. Graphical data allows you to analyze the data changes of each module more clearly and easily, and it's easier to see the problems in it. Live data stream record allows you to record the live data stream and view the data of a certain point in a targeted manner, so that you can view the data more clearly. After you've recorded the data for a period of time, if you want to view and analyze the data just recorded, you need to use the data stream playback function to help you. You can view the data at any time you recorded, then you can choose Combine, Report, and Record. This all-in-one car tent takes only 8 seconds to deploy, retract, and is capable of cooling your car down by 36 degrees Celsius. With one full charge lasting approximately 45 days of continuous use, the Lanmodo is one of the most durable car protectors on the market today. Whether it's rain, sleet, hail, snow, winds up to 29 miles per hour, you name it, the Lanmodo tent comes with a weatherproof canvas protecting your car from all of the elements. The opening and closing of your car tent can only be done via its wireless companion remote, making it virtually impossible to steal. It's also strapped down by 4 strategically placed anti-theft belts, giving the owner an added layer of security. You can also personalize your Lanmodo with a specific logo by selecting from various color schemes or even brand it with a company advertisement. Keep your parked car cool and fresh with the ACOOL modern car ventilator. Featuring an innovative design, this device draws in outside air and expels hot air out. Using a 4-fan system, ACOOL replaces all of the air inside your car twice in only 5 minutes. Additionally, each ventilator sports a custom-made design for each car, offering an ideal fit for your rear door window. It doesn't require any trimmings or rubber strips to seal your window tightly. Providing triple protection, the ventilator does its work while keeping your car securely closed. Moreover, ACOOL gets it to power from a 50-watt solar panel or from the 12-volt power receptacle in your car. Complete with an air filter, ACOOL only draws clean air in. This is a little bit different from the other seat organizers because it wedges in between the center tunnel and the front passenger seat. The KMMOTORS side pocket is a great pick for people who need quick access to their things from the driver's seat. The most important thing it does is take care of coins. It functions as a piggy bank with a slot and covered compartment. This can make looking for change to pay a toll or the bill at the drive-thru much more convenient. There's also space in this compartment where you can put your wallet or your smartphone. This particular model also has a cup holder. The construction of the KMMOTORS side pocket is strong and the whole unit feels durable. Even the front cup holder is sturdily attached. However, the price is a little bit high for a product that only takes care of only a small number of items, no matter how good it is. The Elite Fire Extinguishing Ball is a patented invention that has benefited from more than 50,000 quality assurance tests to guarantee its performance. In addition, the product was awarded the Best Innovation Gold Medal at the Eureka Innovation Awards Europe, a Bronze Medal at the Japan Genius Award, a WIPO Gold Medal, a Gold Medal at the KIPA Award, Korea, a Gold Medal from the Federal Agency for Science and Innovation of the Russian Federation, and the National Research Council of Thailand. The Elite Fireball is based on revolutionary technology that provides far more advanced solutions than portable fire extinguishers. The limitations and problems associated with conventional methods of extinction, maintenance, training, etc. are at the origin of its development. It's easy to use and provides permanent protection as it self-activates in the presence of a flame without human intervention. When a check engine light comes on, it's because the system has detected an issue such as a misfiring cylinder, a malfunctioning mass airflow or oxygen sensor, or a fuel vapor leak. The onboard computer generates a code that mechanics use to troubleshoot and resolve the problem, which is why you'll see them at work staring at a handheld screen with the engine running. The fixed sensor lets you see what the mechanic sees and is capable of detecting up to 6,800 possible causes for a check engine light. It also offers a description of the probable cause along with the standard error code and possible consequences if the issue isn't resolved. It'll tell you turn off the light, but it won't diagnose other dash light indicators such as ABS, anti-lock brakes, TPMS, tire pressure monitoring, airbag, stability control, or transmission cooling. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the following videos here.